Welcome! This is the Seeker Journey Kit. It is a free download and you'll find the link in the description below. The Seeker Journey Kit is part of the Creative Toolbox for self-discovery. The Seeker represents curiosity, exploration, and the desire to find meaning along the path. Simple guidance is included to support your creative process. You are invited to explore, combine, and create in your own way. At the center of the kit is the Seeker, a symbolic figure walking the path of discovery. A collection of symbolic elements representing direction, movement, and transformation. A selection of words to support your journey. Each one carries an energy you can bring into your creations. A page of guidance phrases is included to support your pages, your thoughts, or your moments of reflection. The boho shapes bring texture and gentle layers to your compositions. The name of the archetype is also included in different styles to anchor your pages. Botanical elements bring softness, flow, and an organic presence. Each element is also available in a smaller format for more delicate creations. Bookmarks, cards, and smaller symbolic compositions. Reflection prompts are included to support your inner journey, inviting you to pause, observe, and explore what is present. With this toolbox, you can create meaningful pages and objects, each one reflecting a moment of your journey. The Seeker Journey Kit invites you to explore, to create, and to discover what is unfolding within.